Bonjour, vous allez bien? Vous êtes prêts? Allez, on commence, suivez-moi. Bonjour, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to see the verb foutre. Dans cette vidéo, nous allons voir le verbe foutre. So, let's start. Commençons. Pay attention with this verb, because in French, one of the meanings of foutre is very, very rude. A sexual rude meaning. But it's not what we are going to see in this video, just a familiar way to use this verb. Foutre gets different meanings in French. So let's start with the first one, the meaning mettre, or to put. Generally, we use foutre when we are a bit angry, and you can feel it in your voice. Je fous le lait dans le frigo. I put the milk in the fridge. Present tense. Je fous le lait dans le frigo. The past tense, here as you can see, the past participle, foutu, is irregular. J'ai foutu le lait dans le frigo. I put, past tense, the milk in the fridge. J'ai foutu le lait dans le frigo. Il s'est foutu à poil. He puts himself naked. À poil is an expression. The meaning is neck. Of course, you have one word in English and you can say he stripped. Il s'est foutu à poil. Il lui a foutu son poing sur la figure. Il lui a foutu son poing sur la figure. He put his fist on his face. The second meaning we are going to see now is faire, to do. Qu'est-ce que tu fous? It's very common to use this expression actually instead of faire. Qu'est-ce que tu fous? Instead of qu'est-ce que tu fais? But again, we use qu'est-ce que tu fous because we are hurry up, we are angry, we are nervous. Qu'est-ce que tu fous? What are you doing? J'en ai rien à foutre. J'en ai rien à foutre instead of j'en ai rien à faire. And the meaning is I don't care. J'en ai rien à faire. The third word we are going to see now is donner. Donner. Fous-moi la paix. Here you can say give me peace. But of course in English we've got an expression is leave me alone. But in French, fous-moi la paix. Allez, laisse-moi, fous-moi la paix. Ça fout les boules. It's an expression to say it's scary. For example, a movie. You can say, wow, ce film, ça fout les boules. It's very scary. So, donner. Another meaning is se moquer. Se moquer is to laugh at, to make fun of. Again, you could say je m'en fous instead of je m'en moque. And the meaning is I don't care. Tu te fous de moi? Non, mais quoi? Tu te fous de moi? Again, this expression is very used in French. Tu te fous de moi? Are you making fun of me? Tu te fous de moi ou quoi? Alors, let's see now more expressions using this verb foutre. For example, we have il est bien foutu. Il est bien foutu is got a nice body. He's handsome. Of course, you can say it for a girl. Elle est bien foutue. You need a final E in this case. Elle est bien foutue. Aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui, je suis mal foutu. Aujourd'hui, today, I feel ill. Mal foutu, it's related also to your health. Je suis mal foutu aujourd'hui. Well, now let's see a short conversation, two short conversations, how to use this expression. Non mais, tu te fous de moi ou quoi là? Moi? Oui, toi. T'as foutu quoi aujourd'hui? Rien, pourquoi? Second one. Ah, ça fout les trouilles. Je t'ai bien eu. Ah, fous-moi la paix maintenant. So to translate this expression, so non mais tu te fous de moi ou quoi? Are you making fun of me or what? Me? Yes, you. What have you done today? Nothing. Why? Ah, ça fout la trouille, ça fout la trouille. It's scary. Je t'ai bien eu. I had you. Fous-moi la paix maintenant. Leave me alone now. Okay? So you know how to use and look more familiar using this verb in French, the verbe foutre. Maintenant c'est fini. Alors, à bientôt. And please subscribe to this lesson. Share this video if you like it, if you want more lessons in the future. Allez, au revoir et bon français!